Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the course of Digital Logic Design. Today we are going to cover the symbols of latches. Before this we have already covered the functionality of these different types of latches. We have also discussed how these latches can be set, reset, and how to avoid the forbidden state for any given latch. Now, this rectangular block diagram shows the graphical symbol of SR latch where we have two inputs S and R and two outputs. This bubble shows the complemented output. Similarly, this block diagram shows the graphical symbol of S-R- latch. We have already discussed that S-R- latch is actually SR latch with inverted inputs. So these bubbles shows the inverted inputs to the SR latch. Finally, the graphical symbol of the latch can be given by this block diagram, where we have two inputs, input D, which is data input, enable is the control input, and two outputs, where second output is the complemented output. Thank you.